Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some quick and easy buffalo check Christmas DIYs. So if you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this Halloween sign. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going to save these two pieces just for like next year or maybe when I decorate for Halloween, but for right now I'm going to use this sign. I did try to take off the image, but it was hard, so I do end up using the back. After removing the tag, I use a piece of senshi to smooth that part out. Then I painted this white. Now I did add some water to the paint just so it can look more like a whitewash. The next thing I will be using are these foam sheets that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now 12 of these Christmas trees come in this pack. I actually got these last year and I still have all of them because I only use these like stencils. I like tracing either like craft paper or like tracing this directly to the sign so I can paint. These are also a great size, so yes, these are very convenient. You should definitely get some of these. I will be adding 3 trees to this sign. Now I'm going to trace a little bit of the center one. That is because this is where I'm going to add the middle one, but I'm going to add 2 more trees on each side of the center one, but I do kind of want these like to overlap. That is why I am marking these down. Once I had the one in the middle marked down, I went ahead and traced a tree on each side. And this is how they look. Now I'm going to paint the 2 trees on the side with some red paint. This one right here is from the brand Waverly. Now for the tree in the middle, I will be using one of the foam trees and then trace it to this Dollar Tree buffalo check vinyl. So I am going to use this like a sticker and then just place this on the center. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to use the piece of senshi to sand out all the edges and make this look more rustic. Using a tiny paintbrush and some white paint, I will be adding some details to the red trees. To finish this off, I will be adding some jute twine bows to the tree. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree sign. Now, I got this during Valentine's season, but Dollar Tree is carrying signs that you can use. For instance, this one right here, that is a Halloween sign. I'm going to start by removing the frame. I'm not using the frame again, so I am going to just set this to the side. I will be using the back of this, and I'm going to use the same method I used for my first project. Add a little bit of water to the chalk paint and make it look more whitewash, and this is how it looks once it's dry. Now you can add the frame back on, but I decided not to. Now for this project, instead of using my Cricut to cut out the letters or even use poster sticker letters, I am going to make the letters myself using this piece of steak that I got from a Dollar Tree sign. This is just for me to trace and see how thick I want my letters to be. The Y was very easy to make. I wasn't sure what to use for the J, but I had this poster sticker J that I use as like reference. As you can see, this is way thicker and smaller than the one I'm making, but I'm just using this to make like the curves. You can use something curvy to make like the bottom of the J. After I am done with the letters, I am going to paint them using this black chalk paint. And this is how they look. Now for the O, I did use a Dollar Tree vinyl to cut out an ornament, which I used a circle to make the ornament. Now I'm going to make a bow, but before I add the bow, I'm using some black paint and drawing a line from the ornament to the bow. Now I had this like galvanized letter, so I am going to cut out a piece to add to the top part of the ornament. To finish this off, I will be adding some jute twine to the bottom of the sign. And that is it. Look how beautiful this joy sign turned out. For my next project, I'm using this Dollar Tree sign. Now Dollar Tree had these last year. Hopefully they have them again this year. For this project, I am going to use the back using the Waverly chalk paint in the color Crimson. I will be adding the words ho ho ho. And for the H, I'm using these stickers. I'm going to use the whatever's left over from the sticker as a stencil. After using it 3 times, it kind of ripped, so and some of the letters bled through, so I am going to use a smaller paintbrush and the red paint to fix it. Now I will be making ornaments for the O's with the buffalo check vinyl from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make one, and for the other two O's I'm using the white vinyl from the Dollar Tree. Now I started with this ribbon spoolie, or I don't know what these are called, but to make the circle, but I felt like they were too big, so I did like play around and made it smaller. Once I had the size, I used that size to make the white ornaments. These are vinyl, so I'm going to use these like stickers and just add them. Now I thought of overlapping with the H, but I didn't like how that looks, so I ended up just unsticking them and adding them more on the side, like the top one. They do look a little bit small because I am going to add the little part that goes to the ornament at the top using this galvanized leather. Now I'm using this jute twine to wrap it around the ornaments to make them look like they're hanging. Using the same twine at the top, I'm going to use the little holes that the sign has to make the hanger. And that is it for this ho-ho sign. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.